Hi guys, Chantel here from Two Hearts One Roof, and as the title suggests, this is a taste test. I have never done a on-camera taste test, but I thought it'd be fun. I personally enjoy watching Americans and Australians and other nationalities testing out British chocolate and British foods because it can sometimes be quite hilarious by their reactions. If any YouTubers out there want to do a candy swap or a food swap, let me know, because I am more than happy to test out some stuff and to send you guys something fun and something different to taste. I'm a person who will eat anything once, pretty much in regards to most foods. I will always eat it once, I will always try it, because you never know what you're going to like. So I thought, as we went to America, you will have, if you've seen my what we bought in America haul for our holiday, you will have seen that I bought a giant bag of candy and chocolate, and sweets. We call them sweets in the UK, sweets and chocolate. To do this video, I thought, as I'm out there, whilst I'm here, I will pick up a load of different stuff that we don't have in the UK and that I haven't tried, and I will bring it back and I will do a British person tasting American candy. And I'd really like the opportunity to try other candy from other places, so I think it's fun. It's fun. I love watching videos on that. So I was inspired by all the other YouTubers I've seen doing it and thought, I shall have a go. So here's my big bag. It was a lot of chocolate. Most of this I either picked up in Walmart or in the Dollar Tree. Figured if I'm going to buy a load of stuff, I may as well try doing it in the Dollar Tree. So, where to start? Right, okay. Peeps. Okay, technically, I already know what Peeps are. They're marshmallow and they're yummy. Weirdly, one of my pen pals is American. Her name's Mickey. She's awesome. And she sent me a parcel to where we were staying with John's grandparents when I was out there. So I picked up these when I was shopping for this post, and she sent me a whole box full. Oops, sorry, wrong light. She sent me a whole box full of them. So I have actually, we've already eaten one pack out here, technically. So obviously I know what Peeps are like, so I'm going to start, although are Peeps different flavours? Are the different colours different flavours? Because I was a bit confused by that, because I saw on some videos that they weren't, and then I saw on others that they were. So I don't know whether people just can't taste the different flavours. So I got the Easter ones. They look like little bunnies. Are there different flavours? Peeps are just marshmallows, right? I'm not going mad on that. The problem is because you buy them in packs like this size, I would easily eat this entire pack to myself. Probably will. On the Peeps route, I found these mystery Peeps, which I thought would be fun. I'm not going to eat them now, because I am hoping that John might try them with me. It doesn't say what the flavours are, which is kind of fun. It just says 3 mystery flavours. So you can get mystery boxes of Peeps. So I'm not going to eat those, I'm not. Right. 3 Musketeers. I managed to get a pack of these. I know these are minis. I thought they'd be easier to try, so I know they come in bars usually. So, little 3 Musketeer. By the look of the packet, it looks like a Milky Bar. So it looks like this. It looks like a Milky Bar on the packet. It's like a more firm Milky Bar. UK Milky Bars definitely taste softer. But US chocolate tastes completely different to UK chocolate. It's completely different. Okay. Okay. Nestle's Baby Ruths. I have no idea what a Baby Ruth is. It says bursting with peanuts, rich caramel and chewy nougat or nugget. So again, I got the like a multi-pack. So they do come in bigger bars. I know I just figured multi-packs were going to be easier in case I really didn't like it. Okay. It's a bit like a Snickers. Drop chocolate on the bed. Good start. That's really nice. Yeah, it tastes a bit like a Snickers. Tasty though. Would gladly eat those again. Should have given them marks out of 10 really, shouldn't I? Peeps obviously get a 10 because I love Peeps. I love marshmallows. Musketeers, an 8. Baby Ruths, we'll call them an 8 too. We'll go with an 8 for those as well. So, next. Tootsie Rolls. These are mini sized ones. Ooh, crikey. Okay. Can't say that looks particularly appealing. Wow. That's tough. Oh my gosh. What exactly is a Tootsie Roll? What's it made out of? Oh my god. They're really hard. Break an egg. You'll break your teeth eating these. They're like a hard toffee in texture. But they don't taste like toffee. They're not as sweet and buttery as toffee. Not a massive fan of that. I have eaten it, but it's got a weird taste. I was expecting it to be more like a buttery British toffee. It is not. Yeah. Maybe a 5. Okay. I got another Bites one. Another small version. This time. Should have unpacked them all first, shouldn't I? Okay. Nestle's Butterfinger Bites. Right. So Butterfingers are bars out in America, I do know that. So these are just a bite-sized version of them. They're just like little cubey bits. Oh. Okay. So it's like chocolate. I'm not even sure what you'd call the inside of it. I thought by the picture it looked like a crunchy bar. Not really. Tasty though. It's crumbly though. I think I've just got chocolate on the bed. Never mind. I don't really know how to explain the inside of it. I thought it was just like a crunchy bar, but it's like little thin layers of crunchy bar. It's got a slightly salty taste to it. Thin layers of like salted caramel, but they're really flaky. I won't eat another one. I like them though. Are they like peanut buttery? Is that why they're called Butterfingers? Are they made of peanut butter? That would explain so much. Peanut butter. And they're made of peanuts. So it's like little thin layers of the caramelly crispy bit coated in chocolate. That's really nice. 8. Okay, so I got Mounds, which my John's grandmother said is like a Bounty. It's just like a UK version of a Bounty, but it's dark chocolate rather than milk. I love Bounty. I love dark chocolate. You used to be able to get a dark chocolate Bounty, but I haven't seen one for years. I don't know whether it's been stopped. Oh, that's yummy. That gets a 10. Absolutely love those. Okay, next. 100 grand. Simply because anything that's named after money sounds good. Chewy caramel, milk chocolate, crispy crunchies. Ooh, okay. It's kind of like knobbly. It's a layer of caramel, covered in Rice Krispies, covered in chocolate. That's really good too. All of your caramel and stuff and toffee stuff is like really chewy though. It's more chewy than ours is. The outside kind of tastes a bit like a Lion Bar. Not Lion Bar texture with all the Rice Krispie bits on it. That's the same. 9. Tasty. I need to have a drink though. Right. 3 more. Milk duds. Made with chocolate and caramel. You really like caramel in the States. There's like so much stuff that's made with caramel. Ugh. Okay. They look like flattened Maltesers, but obviously they're caramelly. Again, super tough. It is a giant dollop of caramel covered in chocolate. Which gets a big thumbs up from me. That is tasty. But definitely think your caramel is tougher than ours. I think caramel in the UK tends to be a bit more saucy, bit thinner. I'm going to enjoy those hopefully without breaking my teeth on them. But your chocolate is not as sweet as ours either. I'd say an 8. They're yummy. Right, I saved the sweets for last. If I'm honest, I am more of a sweet eater than a chocolate eater, hence the reason I love the marshmallows. So I'm hoping these are more up my street. Now I hear people talking about Swedish Fish and I have no idea what they are. I still have no idea what they are. I have seen other people try them out in videos like this because I've never heard of anywhere else having Swedish Fish. It's just the most random name ever for a chocolate, for a candy, a sweet. Swedish Fish. Oh, they're in a bag. Oh, are they just like jelly sweets? They genuinely look like little fish. Looks like those ones you get in crackers, you know, at Christmas time. The fortune telling ones, you put them in your hand and you wait for them to do something. And ultimately they will always curl up. Apart from getting stuck in my teeth. Oh, they're tasty. I was wondering if they had some sort of like fruit flavour into them. Oh, these are technically made in Canada, not America. Fat-free food. 150 calories for 7 pieces. That's not bad. They're really nice. Really, really nice. I'm trying to think if we've got anything comparative. No. They're like a gummy sweet, but they're tougher than a gummy sweet. They got a really nice taste to them. Me like those, me give them 10. Lastly, Mike and Ike Megamix. Mike and Ike does not sound like a sweet. Sounds like a band. So I'm not entirely sure what Mike and Ike's are here. Oh look, it says push to open. Haha. Ugh. I like the fact that it was just like random flavours. So we have Caribbean Punch, Strawberry Banana, Paradise Punch, Grape Soda, Kiwi Banana, Mango Delight, Watermelon, Pineapple Banana, Peach Berry, Blue Raspberry. They sound delicious. The only thing being, I have this funny thing about banana flavour. I absolutely love banana, don't get me wrong. Love banana bread, love banana muffins. Don't like banana in anything else. I don't like banana chocolate, banana milk, banana ice cream. Ugh, wrong. So I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to feel about these. Okay, so they're almost like big Tic Tacs. So this should be a Paradise Punch. Oh, they're soft. I wasn't expecting them to be soft. I thought they were going to be like hard, crunchy candy. They're like jelly beans. But not jelly belly beans. Oh, okay. Pineapple banana. Oh. When I taste the pineapple, all is good. When I taste the banana, all is not. Ugh. Right, let's try something else. I think Caribbean Punch. Oh, got a sour edge to it. These are good. They are essentially a jelly bean. Now that I know that, I really expected them to be hard. Last one. Kiwi banana. Oh, why so much banana, people? Oh, a little bit sharp. Alright though. Tasty. He's got a 9. They're pretty much jelly beans. So there we go. I think I've tasted everything. Yeah. So we've had Musketeers, Mounds, 100 Grand, Baby Ruths, Butterfingers, Tootsie Rolls, Mike and Ike's, Swedish Fish, Milk Duds and Peeps. None of which we have in the UK. When I was out there I ate a lot of Twizzlers. I absolutely love Twizzlers, but I knew I already loved Twizzlers before I went out there. We don't get Twizzlers in the UK. We get like a strawberry lace type of thing, but it is not a Twizzler. It is quite different to a Twizzler. But I do love Twizzlers. I don't know how many packs I went through when we were out there. Ooh, and when we were in... oh no, Sainsbury's. No, Safeways. Safeways in America. When we were in Safeways, I managed to find Dr. Pepper Twizzlers, or Twizzler looking things that were Dr. Pepper flavour, that were amazing. So me and John had a pack of those in the car when we were driving somewhere, and they were yummy, really, really good. So yeah, I think I pretty much liked everything, which is good, apart from, I'm not really sure about these. I don't really get Tootsie Rolls. Almost breaking your teeth on them, so, but everything else, yum. So yeah, let me know what your favourite is if you're in America. What is your favourite American candy, sweet? So I can know what's kind of the most popular thing out there. What do most people have? Your selection is huge. You have so many. It's ridiculous. So this was just a tiny selection. Yeah, let me know what your favourite is in the box below. Also, let me know if you would be interested, if you're a YouTuber and you would love to do a candy food swappage, because I think they're fun and I might manage to rope in John maybe. Fun to do, fun to try out stuff from elsewhere in the world. So that's it, that's everything. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Hit subscribe to become part of the Two Hearts family, and all our links are in the box below, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!